California's proposed billionaire tax has sparked a new wave of tension between Silicon Valley and state leadership. Among the latest voices to speak out is LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman, who has described the proposed 5% levy as horrendous for innovation. His stance is particularly significant because Hoffman has long been viewed as one of the more moderate and socially responsible figures in the tech industry. His criticism signals that even historically civic-minded leaders are now questioning whether California's fiscal strategy threatens its future as a global technology powerhouse. According to Business Insider, the proposed measure seeks a one-time tax on residents with a net worth exceeding $1 billion, including taxes on unrealized gains and total assets. Hoffman argues that this structure fundamentally undermines the venture capital ecosystem. By penalizing long-term equity ownership, he believes the measure risks dismantling the very mechanism that enables founders to build transformative companies. The concern is not merely personal finance, it is about the state's long-term competitiveness. Hoffman's critique arrives as other prominent tech figures, including Larry Page and Peter Thiel, have already left California. However, unlike many who quietly relocate, Hoffman is advocating for a more nuanced approach rather than exit-driven protest. He acknowledges California's budget challenges, but warns that treating innovation as a liability could push entrepreneurs and capital away at a critical moment. Supporters of the measure, including labor unions, argue the projected $100 billion revenue is essential to address inequality and strained public services. Yet Hoffman emphasizes that California's tax base is fragile. The departure of even a handful of billionaires could ultimately cost the state more than it gains. This debate now represents more than policy disagreement. It reflects a deeper identity crisis. As Hoffman cautions, innovation depends on stability, trust, and a supportive environment. If California loses that, it may also lose the pioneers who helped define its economic success.